Hi, this is Dan and welcome to Habit Made. For today's video, we have a very special guest. Hi, Ash. Anyway, we're gonna teach you how to make this macrame wall hanging that you could do in less than 10 minutes. But before that, please take time to watch this video so you could have a detailed guide on how to make these 3 basic knots that we will use in this project. Let's get started!
For the materials, we'll need cotton cord, scissors, measuring tape, masking tape, wood, or dowel. We also have available Macrame Starter Kit on our social media accounts. Cut 8 cords with 8 feet each and another 18 cords with 6 feet each. Wood length depends on your preference, but for this tutorial, I'm using a 2 feet length wood. Attach 8 cords with 8 feet length on our wood. Let's make a lark's head. Put this over and through. Pull it tight. Then another one, let's make groupings of 2. Distance should be 3.5 inches. Then let's make 4 square knots. Then let's make 3 more square knots. Tie in between 2 square knots with 2.5 inches distance from the first row. Then let's make 2 another square knots with 2.5 distance again from the last square knot. Down to the last square knot. Then we'll attach the rest of the 18 cords, 3 cords per section. Let's do a lark's head knot. Then attach the other 3 lark's head knot. Then we'll proceed filling on the other side. Once we're done with the sections, we'll proceed with double half hitch knot. Get the cord from your farthest left to make a double half hitch knot. Hope you already watched the other video so it's easier for you to do this knot. Take this left cord to make the last double half hitch knot on this side. Let's just continue making double half hitch knot on this side. Connect these two cords by making another double half hitch knot. Time to trim the bottom part of our wall hanging. I put masking tape as a guide to make a V shape.
If you find this video helpful, please share it with us by using the hashtag HabitMade and tagging us on your social media accounts. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on our next video.